Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of this series. In this part we are going to look at how to delete a chart that we created earlier using VBA. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial I already created a button. I copied actually from here, just copy and paste and change the text just to save some time so you don't have to watch me doing it. Then we are going to open our VBA editor, and I already have the code here, so let's go over the code. So the first line, again like we used to do, we have variables 1, 2, 3, a workbook, a worksheet, and a variant variable that I called CO. This is going to be used for the chart object. So we're assigning the variables workbook. We're setting the work WB to active workbook, WS to active worksheet inside our workbook, and then we're setting the CO variable to chart objects with the index of 3. Now, okay, that's fine. So here we are assigning and we are selecting the chart. Okay, we are going to delete. Now I'm going to uncomment this line. This is the delete line. So we're going to say co.delete. Okay, this is going to delete the object chart. Okay, let's let me see here. Okay, let's go assign this sub to our button. I'm going to assign that sub, double click and assign. So if we did something everything correctly, we should delete the chart number 3. I'm going to put a debug button here, so when the code runs to the end it's going to stop here, or I can actually put here, let's make sure before we delete it hits that button. Alright, let's go ahead and press the button. Okay, we hit the breakpoint. Let's go ahead and continue and let's go check. Okay, our chart number 3 is gone. Okay, alright, so that's pretty cool. Now we know how to delete the chart, but we can also get user input, or we can just use our spreadsheet as input which chart to be deleted. So I'm going to add another variable here just to make it more flexible or dynamic. Okay, let's create an integer. Let's call this C2D as chart to delete as integer. Okay, so this is an integer variable, chart to delete. Okay, so I'm gonna set this to, let's pick a spot on our spreadsheet. Let's say K2. Okay, we're going to type in the number of the chart that we are going to delete right here. All right, so I'm gonna set this to range K2 and close this parens. Actually, dot value, we want the value. Okay, and then we want, instead of passing number 3 here, we're going to pass that variable C2D, chart to be deleted. Okay, alright, so again, if we did it right, we should be able to type in a chart number here. Let's say chart number 2. Let's say chart number 2, and press the button. There you go. We just deleted chart number 2. Okay. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Any questions, please drop in comment section. I'll try to answer as fast as I can. Alright, thank you very much. Have a nice day.